AZ Solutions brings you subtotaling in Excel. Before you can perform a subtotal, the first and most important thing that you must do is sort your information by what it is that you want to group by, in our case, state. Once that's done, you're able to go to the Subtotal command button. This will give you a list of the names of all of the fields that you have across the top row. What you want to do here is make sure that you select state because you chose to sort by state. In other words, what you're trying to do here is group all of the occurrences of the same state together, then the next state and the next state. What will then happen is in the RRP column, we will have that totaled. So in the add subtotal to, the field name is RRP that we would like to do that to. We have now grouped our information, and what you'll find on the top on the left is a set of numbers that allow you to collapse to varying levels. The first will give you the grand total. The second will give you a summarised or condensed version of the group that you're wanting to subtotal, and then the totals for each of those groups. You may find that one of these groups, the figure seems a little bit odd. What you're able to do is check on it by hitting the plus sign. It will then expand and show you all of the relevant entries for that state. You can collapse it again by hitting the minus button on the left-hand side. And the third level in this instance will expand and show you all of the data again. If you're going to continue entering more records of information, you are best off to remove the subtotal by going to Subtotal, and along the bottom edge you'll find the Remove All command button. Thank you for listening. Hope it was helpful for you. If you get stuck and need further assistance, you're able to go to our website www.azsolutions.com.au, or you can drop us an email at info@azsolutions.com.au. Thank you for listening.